Hey everyone! Welcome to Ender IT. In this video we will show you how to set a reminder on Android phone or tablet. To set a reminder in Android, we're going to use the Google Calendar app. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store. Open the app, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. This will allow you to type the reminder in the top box. Below this, you can select the Google account it will be linked to. You can also specify the timing for the reminder. Tap Save once you're satisfied with the settings. And that's how you set a reminder on an Android phone or tablet. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.